Now with the weather, here's Tyne, Logan. Tyne, it really felt like winter today.
It was so cold. I reckon even the penguins at the zoo would have been shivering today. There was rain, there was lots of hail, and there was even snow on Bluff Knoll. Take a look at this. There it is. It's the second time in a fortnight there's been snow flurries on the Stirling Ranges. And for those who didn't see the snow, there was this magic sight, a cloud waterfall just cascading off the mountain face. It looks like it would have been well worth it for the couple of dozen hikers who made the climb this morning. Today was Perth's coldest day of the year so far. The city peaked at 12.4 degrees at 3:30 from a low of 7.6 at 8 o'clock this morning, and Bickley didn't even get to 10 degrees. I feel like that justifies my whinging. Right now it's 9 degrees. The cold weather was widespread across the whole southern half of the state, but Manjimup was the coldest. It only reached 8 degrees there today. Much more pleasant in our north though. Sunny and 24 in Karratha, 25 in Exmouth. Wyndham had the state's highest maximum of 36. There has been a band of cloud thickening over the north today though, which will actually bring some rain to the region tomorrow. Meanwhile, for the south, the cold weather was brought about by a pool of really icy cold air that you can see spreading across the southern half of the state. Since 9 a.m, the heaviest falls have been around the south coast, but in the 24 hours to 9 this morning, there was actually a lot of rain. Perth is now getting close to its average rainfall for the month, and we're not even 10 days in. Elsewhere, Dwelling Up had one of the highest figures overnight, clocking 56 millimetres in the gauge. But there is now a ridge of high pressure developing over central parts of the state, and that will start to ease the wintry weather moving forward. Around the country, it's sunny for most of the east, bar a shower or two in Sydney. Adelaide also has some wet weather on the way, heading for a top of 15 there. Back home, it's staying firmly in the 30s for our Kimberley, but there is a strip in the Pilbara with some thick cloud overhead, making it an overcast day from Port Hedland to Marble Bar, even the chance of showers in Telfer. Back to dry skies for central parts, but it's going to be a very chilly start with the potential for frost through inland regions, dropping down to just 1 degree in Southern Cross. Also the potential for frost in the Great Southern and remaining cold and rainy elsewhere in the south, mostly on the lighter end apart from Esperance, which could see up to 20 millimetres, and there's the chance of hail on the south coast. There's gale warnings for the Esperance and Eucla coasts. In Perth, a few lighter showers lingering for coastal suburbs, otherwise partly cloudy tomorrow, heading for a top of 17 from an overnight low of 6. On the water, winds will be southerly up to 20 knots and the swell quite large, peaking at 4 metres. Sunrise is at 2 minutes to 7 and sunset at 14 minutes to 6. And looking ahead, it's clearing out on Thursday, even getting up to 21 degrees on Friday. Then the rain returns on Saturday and it won't stop until Tuesday, Pamela.
Thanks for that, Tyne. And that's ABC News for now, but you can stay up to date with ABC News online. Up next is 7:30 with Sarah Ferguson.